Oh, everything is falling apart. That's completely bricked. Are you joking? That is something the customer did not say. Hello everybody, we have a Nintendo Switch which has some worn out analog sticks and we're going to replace them, and this should be real quick, easy and fast. So let's go. We have 4 screws and we have of course the new ones. This should be fairly a good quality one. So now we can, okay, let me zoom in. We have gotten all 4 screws out. Now we can take off the back side. My nails, have to be careful, there's some connections here. Good. Now we have to get past the battery, and for that I'm going to disconnect the battery. Be careful not to rip the motor cables. I take a pry tool, just like that. Oops, fell back in. Well, it looks like these controllers already have seen some tough days. Let's proceed. Just taking these 2 out. Oh, here's another one. Number 3. Lift that up carefully. Another flex cable. Just move it here on the side. Oh, everything is falling apart. That's completely bricked. Are you joking? That is something the customer did not say. Like always. That is ripped up, and also the, oh my god. OMG. This should be a simple repair, but it doesn't look like it is anymore. Let's see if we can quick that fixly. Good. In case you're wondering what that is. My aunt. Drilly drill. So this is going to be a more interesting repair now. A little bit of fluxy. We shouldn't lose our... Well, we lost it already, did we? No, it is here at the side. Whoop, 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 whoop. Good. All connections are tampered with. Now I'm gonna try to take the button with my tweezers and place it in perfect position. Is that good? I think it is. Oui. Pad's gone, pad's gone, pad's gone, pad's gone. Maybe I can reuse that pad just like that and hold it with my tweezer. Like that. Everything is wobbly here. Good. And good. So we don't make a connection. It is not perfect, but it will hold. If we can straighten that out a little bit. More flux. A little bit more. Just a little bit more solder. Good. Let's see if that works. Clickety, clickety, click. Good. So now we have another 2 screws. Now we can lift it up. Screw number 1. Oh, lift up the hinge, the connector. Make it easier, but it isn't that flimsy. So that's the old connector. Let's try to put it back. And we're kind of in position. Let's put our screws back. Lift that up. Okay, put the FPC connector back. Let's have a look on the microscope. It's a bit more interesting and more detailed. Good. Connect our FPC. We shall put this underneath. Push it in, lid down. The other connector, lid down. Then here, there is a smaller, not greenish screw. Put that back. Be careful, not too tight. The button, make sure the spring is where it should be. Let it here click. I heard it. Good, so let's put that cover back. Number 1. Number 2. We have 3. And number 3. Let's connect the battery. For that, I'd recommend a plastic tool. Click. Very nerve-wracking indeed. Okay, that looks better. Okay, now we have, let's check that. Why does it look? Ooh. Okay, let's do that again. And another broken part. I haven't been that. You know how it looked like inside. Okay, I forgot to. I did put the old one back in. I'm such a dumb bag. Let's do that again. And we close it. And we have a new button. Feels good. Let's put the other screws in. Okay, now we're gonna test it. If that what we have done is actually working. Click and hope that it works. Turn on, yeah, prick. Okay, we're charging. Not a big deal. You have to be careful with such devices. Write down how the whole thing looks like, and if you see anything, write everything down. Because everything is, that is also very wobbly. And after that, you are the one who destroys everything. But this may take a while. Yeah, only telling the half story of this fault. I have already put it back together. This is a no clean flux, so fuck that. The old fart replaced with a new fart. Even the screws are worn out. What the?
Shit. All my dreams came true. That is a bit concerning.
Let's go. Let's see if everything works. Okay, tip. I don't need any tips. Some monsters sleep at night. What's which makes them vulnerable for attacks. Left, right, back, right. And we're not drifting. Come on, run. Run, fellow, run. We fixed 2 analog sticks quite easily with a little bit of a hassle and some surprises, but that's how it is in the repair shop. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Subscribe button.